What just happened? The iPhone 15 Pro series is going through some rocky start, from durability concerns to quality control issues and some alarming overheating problems. We now finally have answers to some of these concerns, which you should know if you're planning to buy the iPhone 15 Pro or the Pro Max. First up, why are some of the iPhone 15 Pro models facing overheating? Well, according to Ming-Chi Kuo's survey analysis, the overheating is not because of TSMC's 3nm architecture, which is actually fine. This is primarily because of the compromise that Apple had to make to the thermal design of the iPhone 15 Pro in order to achieve a thin design, plus the titanium material is not very good at heat dissipation. Now, Apple could fix this issue thanks to a software update by optimizing the clock speed of the A17 Pro, which would give better thermal performance. Now, the second concern we have is the durability issue, which, as we have seen in drop tests, that the back glass is actually very easy to break. In order to avoid this, I highly recommend you to buy a case. And well, I've been using PITAKA case on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. PITAKA is back with a bang. The all-new Mac Easy Pro case for the iPhone 15 series promises unrivaled protection as it uses aramid fiber, which is an insanely strong shock absorbent. It's super protective but not bulky and works great with MagSafe accessories. Next, we have my favorite, the classic Mag Easy case for the iPhone 15 lineup. This is the world's thinnest case out there with just 0.95mm ultra thin, ultra light design, again with aramid fiber for great protection. I've personally used it on my iPhone for almost a year now and I highly recommend it. And let's not forget the Mag Easy slider too. This thing is next level. It uses MagSafe to charge the iPhone by attaching on the back, and it comes with its own innovative dock setup, so you can put it comfortably on your desk, place your phone on it, charge it, and enjoy. Lastly, PITAKA's Mag Easy grip gives you amazing control of your phone. This extra grip is amazing for that one-handed experience. This grip also allows you to dock the phone on the table for that hands-free media experience. So be sure to use my special links in the description and get yourself some amazing PITAKA accessories and cases for your new iPhone. Alrighty, the third issue is with the quality control. Some people have reported that their iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max model has some discoloration or some scratches either on the sides of the phone or on the back when they took their phone out straight from the box. This issue is not widespread, but still it is recommended that you unbox your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max inside the Apple Store, have a quick look at it just to be on the safer side. So these were the three big issues with the iPhone 15 Pro series launched this time around. If there's one thing that Apple has shown in the past is that they're very quick at fixing issues. Now, I've been using the iPhone 15 Pro Max for about 5 days now, and what is my experience? Have I faced any of these issues? Well, the answer is no. My usage has been flawless with no overheating issues, even when I'm charging the phone, no quality control issues. The only thing that I've done is that I've started using a case on my iPhone 15 Pro Max from PITAKA in order to avoid shattering the back glass while at the same time keeping the phone light. I've been really enjoying the camera experience on this phone, especially the 4K 60fps video, which now allows you to switch lenses. It's probably the smoothest video I've ever seen on a phone. I'll be doing my full review on the channel very soon, so please make sure to subscribe. Let me know what you think about the whole controversy in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.